Hello, friends of A Taste of Spain. How you doing? One of the characteristics of organic farms or organic olive groves is all that grass you can see on the ground. We need that grass because we don't spray anything at all. I mean, we don't use pesticides, herbicides, or any chemicals here. But trees have enemies, and there are a lot of pests and plagues all over. We need that grass to hold here a rich biodiversity of insects, that they maintain that equilibrium, that balance we need to protect the trees. It's important to make this weed control, of course, but just once in a while. It's necessary to keep all that grass, because that's the best defense for the olive trees. See you soon in Spain.